name is Sajini and I have created a Space Invader game in Python. Let's view the game! The game is over, but do you want to know how it happened? I have imported map random pygame, and from pygame I've imported mixer. After initializing pygame, I have loaded images, music and set X and Y positions for some of them. Then I have given fonts and sizes for the score and the game over. I have defined a few functions as they keep changing or moving. Collision happens when the bullet hits the enemy, and there's formula for that as well. As we come down or scroll down, we reach game loop. Game loop is very important to keep the program running whenever we quit and start the game. Based on the keys the player moves, enemies shouldn't go beyond the edge. Our bullet state is always ready. If the bullet and the enemy collides, it will play a sound. Our score value will increase and a new enemy will come in its place. The display is updated. Python, the game designer. Thank you.